we are going to know the topic of structure of DBMS, and we can see the figure of DBMS structure. Okay, this is the structure of DBMS, and if we go for the DBMS, database users interact with the system. The following database users are these: Navi users, application programmers, sophisticated users, data administrator users, database administrator users, application interface, application programmer, query tools, administrator tools. These are users. These are users. If you go for application programmer, this application programmers are computer professionals who write application programmers for computer. Application programmers can write application programs for the database. And if you go for the Navi users, they are unsophisticated users. They are not sophisticated users, because Navi users can interact with the system by invoking one of the application program that can be written already previously written thing. Grab and it will interact with the system for invoking another application program. For sophisticated users, it interact with the system without writing the program. Instead, they form their request in the database or a query language. They submit each query processor whose function to break down into structures so that the storage manager can understand. So, database administrator. This database administrator controls or coordinates all the activities of the database system. For example, student will be controlled by the faculty. Faculty is the administrator. So here the administrator has a good understanding of information, resources and needs. These are requirements. Again, database administrator includes the following things like schema definition, storage structure, and grant users authorization, access the database, specifying the integrity constraints. They have 3 in this. We'll go further discuss about this. Application interface, programmer, query tools, and administrator tools. These are also users in it. If you go for application programmer and query compiling and compile and linker, DML query, DDL compiler, DDL interpreter, and query evaluation engine, DML compiler organization. These all are query processors. These all are query processors. These are users and these are query processors. If we go for DDL interpreter, this interprets or executes the data state and fetches the information in data dictionary. This fetches the information from the in data dictionary. And if you go for DML compiler, it translates DML statements in query language into low-level instructions so that query evaluation engine can easily understand. Query evaluation engine can easily understand that thing which is here. We have if we go for file manager, this file manager, it manages the process of allocating disk and data structures that are used for representing the information saved on the disk. And if you go for buffer manager, it handles the transfer of the data from disk onto the main memory and decide what data must be kept in main memory. This buffer manager can do the thing. If you go for authorization and integrity manager, it verifies whether the integrity constraints defined as on the data are satisfied or not. It tells whether it is satisfied or not. Integrity manager and authorization does or it checks the authority of users and allows only authorized users to access the data. It checks whether it is the authorizes. It checks the users and allow only the authorized users. And if we check the data files, these are the files that contain the database and indices, data dictionary, indices. These are indices. These indices it provide fast access to required data items. These are disks, and this is the structure of DBMS. And this is a very important question that can come in the external exams.